Hello, today is March 26th. I just made a video about unemployment and taxes in general. I want to make a shorter one focusing on Massachusetts. We have filed any number of tax returns that did not have the $10,200 exemption in them on the federal side. There are a host of state issues that entails. First of all, there is a bill in the Massachusetts legislature that may exempt that is likely to pass that would exempt the $10,200 on the state side as well. That is something the IRS would not be fixing. That is something that will require us to amend the returns we've already filed. And that is something that we are unlikely to be able to do for the next several weeks. First of all, it's not law right now. It is a compromise between the House and Senate leaders as part of a larger COVID relief bill that would then need to go back and be passed by the Massachusetts House, passed by the Massachusetts Senate, signed by the governor. This is a process that probably still has a couple weeks to go. And then after that, our software would have to, upgrade. Well, first the Department of Revenue would have to put out its guidelines. The software would have to upgrade. So really and truly, 3 or 4 weeks before we can do this. But even if this bill doesn't pass, because of the way the IRS has implemented the $10,200 exemption, it affects adjusted gross income. And by affecting adjusted gross income, it affects the earned income credit. And by affecting the earned income credit, it affects the Massachusetts tax return. Massachusetts gives an earned income credit equal to 30% of the federal earned income credit. And as a result, a $1,000 change in the federal earned income credit would result in a $300 change in the Massachusetts earned income credit. And so we're going to be amending a lot of Massachusetts tax returns eventually, whether we are amending federal tax returns or not. And although the IRS says that they will find a way to deal with the $10,200 exemption for people who did not claim it, I would be, first of all, be surprised if they will pull that off. But if they are, I'll be surprised if they're also able to take into account the impacts on the earned income credit, the advanced premium tax credit, and a number of other smaller issues that run off of adjusted gross income that this exemption has brought about. So in any event, what I'd say is to any clients who see this is that we are certainly aware of the situation. We are monitoring the situation. We should be reaching out to you. Feel free to reach out to us, but don't do that now. Again, it will probably be, say, 3 or 4 weeks, probably 4 weeks, really, before we are in a situation where we can address everything for you. And that is, and we really don't want to be doing this piecemeal. It's just too big of an issue. And so, but if we don't reach out to you in the next month, please do come back to us. Thank you.